What's good with y'all boys? And yes, I know I'm in my bathroom right now, but we just made it back to the crib for break. And like I ain't even know where to do the intro, you feel me? So we just finna do it here, bro. But before we hop into game five, bro, what y'all need to understand is the game plan. The game plan ahead is game five, you feel me? First of all, so the games are structured 1s and 2s to 21. And if you a hooper, you know like that's a workout. That's a workout. I only be doing that in like a 1v1, like I'm really trying to like in a good at 1v1, you feel me? Like it feels way longer than it is, you feel me? So our game plan is we gotta hop in there and hit as many threes as we can, you feel me? Get as many points as we can, because we're not, if you're not hitting threes, yo gang, you're on the floor by the end of the game. Your knees on the ground, and you're like are stuck on the ground, you feel me? But like dead ass though, like it's actually like you feel like you're cooking, right? You hit like 7 buckets, right? And then you feel, and like 7 buckets feels like a lot when you're hooping. It feels like a lot. But then the nigga calls up the score. Oh yeah, it's 7-2. 7-2. We've just been hooping for 10, like 5, like we've been hooping already for 5 minutes. I still gotta make 14 points. Like yo, like that's why our game plan is hitting our threes, trying to hit our threes, you feel me? And y'all see what will happen, bro. Y'all see what will happen, bro. that game plan failed. I noticed two things really when I was watching that back, bro. One, whenever I would drive, they would all converge on me, and I would not, most of the time, well, I only drove like 3 times, or like not that many times, but when I did drive, they converge on me, and instead of throwing it back to my teammates, I might throw up some hood, you feel me? But that's just on me and my game sense, bro. Like, that's just on me. Like, I've been doing all these 1v1s, just kind of working on my own game type shit. Like, I haven't been running no 3s. That's on me. You know, I've been running no 5s. That's on me. And I'm trying to play like a point guard, but I can't because my game sense is out of whack a little bit. You feel me? But that's besides the point. We'll get that tuned out. You feel me? The second thing, oh my gosh. The whole thing is to make our 3s. I'm not even gonna say that, bro, because it's just me. Like, bro, like dead ass, bro. You could have built a small shelter out of the bricks I had, bro. Like, I think like there was so many bricks. Like, so many bricks, gang. Like, that was terrible performance by me. And I apologize to all of y'all because like, I'm sorry y'all even had to watch that. Like, if you did watch it, like, I'm sorry y'all had to watch that shit, bro. Like, oh my goodness. At least the other team was doing some shit, so like it wasn't that boring, you feel me? But like, man, it's really just because niggas can't hit they shots. Talking about me specifically, you feel me? In a groove a little bit, you feel me? Cause I kinda just came out and just started shooting, you feel me? Like, I just came from work too. Like, I just put up from work and I just came in and started hooping. Just started shooting 3s, you feel me? And I feel like if I get in the paint, like if I could get some nays or some middies first, and get my game starting to flow a little bit, then I should be good. Because like, that's really like my game. 3s is like the worst part of my game for real. But like, if I could get my shot warmed up doing that, then we'll see what happens. I think that's gonna be my game plan going forward into the playoffs. But appreciate y'all for watching this horrid game. And man, like damn, bro. Like, I don't even like watching that back, bro. Like, it's bricks. I'm sorry, y'all. Hey man, stay tuned for the next video. Y'all stay blessed.